Thank you for a generous introduction and good morning to everybody. And this session has about three main speakers. The first two speakers are from the same university and working on the same project. And perhaps they'll be talking about two facets of the project. So what I would be proposing you is the questions could be at the end of the both speakers' talks. Okay, and now I request Professor Gobind Chowdhury to talk about towards the conceptual model for content service network. Professor Chowdhury is, of course, I am sure many of you must be knowing, he is one of the prolific writers in the field of library and information science. And I know him. Actually, we are unfortunate not to have him on the DRTC faculty. Okay. Later, of course, he got into many of the international assignments, and I know that for some time he worked in UK, Singapore, many places. Presently, he is with the University of Technology, Sydney. Professor Chowdhury is the head of Journalism, Information and Media Studies group with the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. And he is also the director of the Information Management Center at UTS. And he will be chairing one of the sessions in 2010 ICADL conference to be held in Queensland. So now I request Professor Chowdhury to be to deliver his lecture on towards the conceptual model of content service network. Yes, I request the speakers, as we have about 1.5 hours of the session, each will be getting about half an hour, and it is up to the speakers how much time they would leave for questions. If they don't leave much time for questions and take all the time for their lecture, perhaps we may not have questions for them. But again, as I told, as the first two speakers will be having a common question hour, so I think you can have about 25 minutes.